Hey, Smarties! Are you ready for an adventure? Today we're learning about all the ways we get from here to there. It's time to explore transportation. First, let's look at the things that roll on the ground. Can you make a driving motion with your hands? Look, a bicycle. Pedal, pedal, pedal. And listen to the bike. Vroom, vroom. Here comes a car. And a bright yellow taxi. They take us all around the city. The big yellow bus has room for everyone. Honk, honk. Look at that big truck. It carries heavy loads across the country. And listen, choo-choo! The train stays on the tracks and goes very, very fast. Now, let's go for a swim. These vehicles love the water. A little boat bobs on the waves. But look, a giant ship is much, much bigger. Some ships have a big job to do. Freighters carry thousands of boxes. And oil ships carry fuel across the deep blue sea. Let's look up, high in the sky where the birds fly. The airplane zooms through the clouds with its big wings. Whoosh! And the helicopter spins its blades. Chop, chop, chop. Look, a seaplane can fly in the air and land on the water. How cool! Floating slowly and quietly, it's a colorful hot air balloon. Wave hello! Are you ready to go even higher? 3, 2, 1, blast off! The rocket ship zooms all the way to outer space. Wow! We saw things that zoom on land, splash in the water, and fly in the sky. Which one was your favorite? Tell someone sitting next to you. Great job exploring today, transportation superstars. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.